Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make money using Midjourney AI. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now, my idea for how you can make money using Midjourney is by creating an ebook that you could sell online. Now, how do you use Midjourney to create an ebook? Now, you could use Midjourney and ChatGPT together. You could use ChatGPT to produce you the content, and you could use Midjourney to produce you the title page. Now, we're going to create our cover page. So, we're going to go and visit our Midjourney over here on their showcase. And we're simply going to scroll through the community showcase over here. And let's try looking for a design or a picture that we would like to copy for our cover letter or cover page for our book. For example, this one over here, simply going to copy this, copy the full command, go back to Midjourney, and then type in imagine, paste it over here just like that, and click on enter. Now we're simply going to wait for it to generate our image, and we could use this design as a cover book or a cover page for our book. And we're simply going to wait for it. And just like that, we have our design over here. You could choose any of this photo over here. Personally, I would choose the second one and the fourth one. And you could simply use this as a cover page for your book. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.